Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist at the Tech Travel Geeks, and this is the Honor 9X Lite setup video, where we're going to go through setting up the Honor 9X Lite and giving you a preview of what the user experience is like. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. Right then, if you haven't already, we've already unboxed the Honor 9X Lite with a separate video. This is a very early review device where we just showed off the charger and what is expected to be in the packaging. Now I'm going to set up the Honor 9X Lite and show you that, for starters, there is space to expand the existing 128GB storage with a micro SD card, so I'm going to pop in an extra 64GB of storage. I'm also going to put in my personal SIM card. This is my main SIM card with all-you-can-eat data. So there we go. I'm going to slide in the tray. There is space for a second nano SIM, so you don't have to choose between dual SIM or expanding your memory. You can have the best of both, expand your memory and have dual SIM. And I'm switching on the screen, and it is a very nice screen. There's no screen bleed at the top, the bottom, or the sides as far as I can see. And there is a really nice color saturation there with the Honor branding. This is a full high definition screen, which means that it is, in this case, a 1080 by 2340 screen. It's a 19.5:9 aspect ratio, and it's 6.5 inches in size. Right, in the UK, I'm going to set this up as UK United Kingdom, and I trust Huawei with everything, unlike the US government, and I'm going to set this up as a new device. You have the option to set it up transferring data from another Android device, an iPhone or iPad, or use your Google Cloud backup. So bear with me whilst I connect to Wi-Fi. So here we are, we're back. I'm connected to the Planet Express Wi-Fi network. Futurama fans rejoice. And here we're going to go through a setup. Now, unlike other Huawei or Honor devices, the Honor 9X Lite has Google Play services, so you can set up your device with Google Play. So there we are, I've logged into my Google Play account, and it's now setting up the phone. So this is a really good bit of news, is this is an Honor device in July 2020, which has Google Play services, which means you get all the great services like Google Maps, Google Assistant, as well as Gmail and any other pure Google service you want. I think one of the most popular apps that people want is the YouTube native app from Google, which is currently not available from other app stores. Now, you'll see that this offers the option to set up Fingerprint Id and other ones. The back of the Honor 9X has a nice fingerprint scanner. Once you've set up a PIN, you pop your finger on the fingerprint scanner and set up and train the reader. And as you can see, that's all pretty much done. It's a very responsive fingerprint reader, so really handy for setting up your phone. And you can also set up face unlock. I'll do that now and show you how quick that is. So you need to face the camera. This is the selfie camera at the top in the notch there. This is, in this case, an 8 megapixel camera, which can be used for face unlock. And it's just a bit of warning to say it's not the safest mode. Oh wow, that was fast. So setup complete, despite being behind the camera. We're recording this on the Huawei P40. So I'm going to enable the enhanced services, enable software updates. And there you go. That was a pretty fast and quite responsive experience setting up EMUI 9. That's the version of EMUI on this device. It's based on Android 9. For a device in the £180 price range, that's not the newest version of Android, but it does offer Google Play services and it gets security updates from Huawei. So there you go, you can see the notification shade, it's the slightly older version of EMUI, and the menu, it's very responsive. So that's a really nice big screen. In this case it is a 6.5 inch full high definition screen, and it's very, very responsive. Obviously that Kirin 710F chipset is doing a very good job. So let's have a look at the software updates, if there's anything available. It's EMUI 9.1, and it's up to date apparently. And in this case we see that it is a Kirin 710, 4GB of RAM, 128GB of storage, and it has the March security update. So it's likely there will be updates for this from Huawei. Huawei is one of the better phone makers that does Android security patches, but we'll just have to wait and see. And you can see that as the device is pre-installed, there's some apps from some trusted companies that people do love, such as Facebook, Booking, Yandex, and others, as well as some pre-installed games. You've got Spider-Man and Asphalt Nitro, and they've also pre-installed Facebook Messenger and Netflix. So for many people setting up the Honor 9X Lite, they have everything they'd probably be wanting. Let's have a look. So the drop-down works as expected. This is a really nice device to use. As you can see, I've put my main SIM card in this. I'll need to set up a few apps and services on the device to use it as my main device. We have this at the Tech Travel Geeks for a couple of weeks. We're going to make the most of our time with the device, and as you can see, it's now updating all the pre-installed apps and all the Google Play services on the device. So in terms of form factor, the 6.5-inch diagonal screen is lovely and big and has nice resolution. The feel of the device is quite premium. The way this is built is really quite impressive for a device under €200, or in this case, under £180 in the UK. It's really good. I would say, as a first impression, the only thing I may have some concerns about is that 10 watts charging. That may be a bit limiting, and the fact that it has micro USB. But in day-to-day use, I think this is going to be a really good phone for a lot of people, which offers a fantastic screen, good build quality, and more importantly, it has what a lot of people do enjoy and use, which is the Google Play services, apps, services, and so on. We'll be doing a full review of the Honor 9X Lite going forward. Let us know in the comments if there's anything specific you'd like to know, such as those of you who are enthusiasts about the Courage port, or to want to know what it's like using micro USB in 2020. Let us know if you'd like a full camera review to put that 48 megapixel sensor through its paces. So for now, thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks on YouTube. For now, thanks for me, and goodbye.